Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vindadi. So right here we have a 2020 Acura Rdx 2-liter turbo. As you guys can see, it was due for maintenance. First service is only got 6,000 kilometers on it. This is a pretty nice SUV, guys. It's pretty luxurious, as you guys can see. It's an Acura. I've always loved Acura dashboards. They look really nice and luxurious. So I gotta show you a couple of features that this has, and as well as resetting that maintenance due soon light. But first, I'm gonna show you guys what this 2020 Acura Rdx looks like. Put it in park. So that's what the exterior looks like, guys, and this is the interior. Look at the seats, very nice stitching, looks really sporty. It's got a pretty much dual sunroof. So this guy's got heated seats, obviously. Right here is the control for heated seats. These are your controls for your blend doors, your AC, your fan speed, front defrost, and then rear defrost with side mirrors. Right here, this is your steering wheel heat or heated steering wheel button. If you press that, this laneway assist button right here, and this is following distance, I believe, right here. So yeah guys, this is loaded with really nice stuff, as you guys can see. Here's your brake hold, parking brake. This button right here guys, it's memory for your seat. You could set it. There's one setting and there's a second setting, so you and your partner can have both one each settings right there. So let me just shut this off and then just check this out. That's cool. Okay, now I'm gonna start it off. That is nice. Oh, and check this out guys. This right here is a touchscreen. So if I go like this, watch. It's quite responsive actually. It's pretty nice. So you just want to go right there. If you select navigation, you just click down on this and then it will choose it. It will select it for you. That is quite nice. So right here guys, it has dynamic mode for comfort, sport, and sport plus. So you can change the suspension settings on that, which is really nice. So let's get to resetting that maintenance do light. This thumb wheel guys right here, you just scroll it up or down, doesn't matter. When you get to that maintenance right there and shows the oil life, you hold on this button for a good 10 seconds. So right there guys, you see that? Maintenance item. So we want to pick item A only. So once you scroll down from, you use the thumb wheel again to scroll. Once you go to item A, you just press this down again. Select this button again. There you go. Maintenance, oil life 100%. So that's it guys. It's been reset. So to start this up, there's a push button right here. You just step on the brake and hold that, and here we go. So this one's got navigation as well, as you guys can see. And then to select drive, you just, this is the gear selector right here. Reverse, you pull this up and then it'll go to reverse. This will auto tilt down, but we want to go to drive. So anyways, that should be on drive, and away we go. Yeah, it's pretty nice little SUV guys, and this is only a 2-liter turbo, so it's really great on gas. I'm glad that they went back to a 2-liter turbo, because I know they changed it to a V6 prior to this year's, prior to 2020. But yeah, look at the interior guys, look at the leather, it's really nice. The stitching is really nice. Acura always makes like really nice luxury cars. I really like their interior designs. It's pretty fancy. So anyways guys, thank you again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.